Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Avery, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day themed makeup look and tutorial, so let's get started. I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown to fill in my eyebrows. I'm using my Tarte concealer to kind of like shape out my brows and make them nice and sharp. I'm also putting some on my eyelids to prime for the eyeshadow. Using the Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking the white shade to set our concealer, the pink shade for transition shade. I'm using the berry shade to put in the crease, and then I'm using the dark violet to deepen up that crease. Then I'm taking my same concealer to cut the crease. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Farsali Unicorn Essence Primer. This stuff is amazing. I got it for Christmas and I'm in love with it. And I'm just rubbing this all into my face. I'm using the Tarte Rainforest in the Sea Water Foundation in the shade Fairlight Sand. And I'm just applying a little bit on my cheeks and then I'm blending it in with a beauty blender. Now I'm applying that same concealer under my eyes, in between my eyebrows, on my nose, and on my chin. I'm using the Allure Mercier setting powder to bake my under eye, and I'm taking the Hoola bronzer to contour and bronze. And for blush, I'm using the NYX blush in the shade Dusty Rose. I'm wiping off my powder. Then I'm using my Cover FX Perfect Highlighting Palette. I'm taking this bottom shade to highlight. It is so beautiful. I'm applying the Benefit They're Real Mascara on my lashes. And I'm using the pink Cover FX highlighter to brow bone highlight. I'm taking the Berry eyeshadow in the Morphe palette to put under my eyes, as well as applying some mascara. Then I'm taking a Morphe lip liner in the shade Foolish to line my lips. Last but not least, I'm using this mini Linen Aster lip gloss. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for new videos every week.